Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Allen's Factory Outlet, your ultimate destination for high-quality metal buildings, carports, and garages. With over 20 years of experience in the industry, we have established ourselves as experts in America. We take pride in providing top-quality products and services to our customers, and our commitment to excellence has earned us more than 12,000 positive reviews online. Our team is dedicated to providing our customers with durable and reliable structure that can protect your belongings, while also being customized for your needs. On our YouTube channel, you'll find a wide range of content that will help you make an informed decision when choosing a metal building. You'll see product reviews and comparisons, so you understand the benefits of our garages and carports. Some tips about how you can optimize your building and use it in multiple ways. And finally, customer testimonials where men and women who trusted our company explain why they love our products. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know about our latest products and guides. Plus, our community of like-minded individuals will share their experiences and insights, providing you with a wealth of knowledge and support. Our goal is to provide you with the best possible experience, and subscribing to our channel is the perfect way to stay connected with us. So why wait? Hit that subscribe button and join the Allen's Factory Outlet family. We look forward to helping you create the metal building of your dreams.